Welcome to the Moro Pigeon Show! Welcome to the Moro Pigeon Show. I'm your host, El Moro. Join me to explore the pigeon's way. We'll learn and laugh day by day. All pigeons bring us pure delight, creations from the eternal one taking flight. Let's learn from them, both big and small, into the world of pigeons. Let's give our all. With every flap, a gentle friend, in Moro's Pigeons world where wonders never end. Through YouTube's glow, their beauty takes flight. A symphony of coos, a pure delight. Where the palm trees sway nearby, white doves paint the blue sky. A spectacle for every eye, their stories soaring by.
Welcome everyone to El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host El Moro, and this show today I'm here in the middle of nowhere just about. This is Vermont Road. I am on my way to a city in Florida which I will not disclose the name because this is why, okay? I do a lot of videos and it's proven that a lot of my videos, when I do videos for pet shops and for friends, and they get customers, okay? Because I put my videos not because of me, but because I put my videos everywhere, okay? I put it in 101 channel in Facebook, and I put it on YouTube, and my wife, she's a media personality, whatever you want to call it, and she puts it everywhere. And it is proven, and you can ask Abraham, it is proven that my videos bring customers to other people. So right now, I'm starting to charge. Because if I have to drive 40, 50 miles, 80 miles to a place, so I can do a video for this person, and I gotta go back, I gotta spend time editing the video, gas money, all that stuff, right? The Bible says that a worker is worthy of his wages. So they're getting customers, they're getting money from it. I'm not getting a penny. So see, I'm here in the middle of nowhere, driving to this faraway place. So I don't want to disclose the city or the name of the place where I'm going. But this gentleman has one thing I can say. He's got very good pigeons. And, he's got very good birds. So I am going to buy a couple of birds for a friend of mine in New York and another friend of mine in Las Vegas, okay? Because over there's no good Spanish Pouters, but Florida is like the capital of the world in Spanish Pouters, especially Cuban thief powders, with the exception of Spain. But I believe that in Miami, in Florida, we really specialize a lot more than Spain in thief powders, But, Spain is, they call it the birthplace. But see, I'm a little unorthodox because I like to study. So where did the Spaniards got their pigeons from? They say from the Arabs. Arabs. No, it was not from the Arabs. Okay, but see, in the world today, anything that is black skin from black people, and you can study this, have been watered down, washed down. I can tell you stories. I can tell you facts. So the pigeons in Spain really come from the Moors. The Moors, they were black. Okay? And so now, anything that's black, they change it to Arab, or they change it to golden skin, olive color of the skin. No, man, Moors, they were black people. They ruled Spain and Europe since 711 AD for 800 years. A lot of those buildings that you see today, even in Europe, they come from the black Moors. Okay, los Moros. All right, and that's how they call me. They call me El Moro. In Cuba, since I was little, El Morito. My father, they call El Moro. Okay, but I'm not claiming that I'll build anything, nor my ancestors, because I'm a Hebrew. But back to this, the Moors were the one that brought pigeons to Spain, and they brought a lot of all the things that the Spaniards didn't have. Okay, so that's where the pigeons come from. All the Spanish Pouters and thief powders and stuff like that. But back to that, now, this day and age, Florida has the best powders over here in the United States. Okay? A lot of the people here, they go to Spain, they bring it from Spain. They got money, and they go to Spain, they bring it from Spain. Look at this. I'm in the middle of nowhere. This is far from my house. And I'm sorry, my windshield wiper, it's dirty. My windshield is dirty, so I gotta, and my windshield wiper is dirty too. So I'm here sharing with you this beautiful sight. Now, this is called Vermont Road. If you got some kind of money, you can come over here and buy land. This is beautiful over here. You have your own ranch over here. Now, over here there are black bears. There are a lot of deer. There are snakes. Believe it or not, there are boa constrictors, because in the hurricane back in Andrew, over there in by Homestead, Florida, a lot of wild animals got loose, and a lot of those boa constrictors, they escape into the Everglades and into the woods. So over here in Florida, you got to be careful. They pay when you kill a boa constrictor, because they're messing up the system. There's also lots of pigs over here. See, I gotta be careful driving. That's why I'm going kind of slow, because see, a lot of people that drive in these roads, they don't know that a herd of pigs can all of a sudden just come out. And some of these pigs, man, they're big. They weigh like 600, 800 pounds. My friend hit one of those pigs and his car was total. That was it. They're very big, and they roam over here with the babies. Also alligators, these big old alligators. I ran over one time because it was dark. It was already dead in the middle of the road, and I didn't see it. And man, it cost like almost $2,000 something to fix my car in the front. So you got to be careful. There are foxes around here. They call it lions over here in Florida, the Florida panther. They call it lions. So yeah, there are lions around here. The Florida panther, they also call lions. Look at this, look how beautiful. A lot of open space around here. A lot of cows. Lots of cows. I am 1 hour and 14 minutes away from this place. Okay. So I'm not going to record for 1 hour and 14 minutes. I'm about to turn this off. But hey guys, I'm selling. Look at it, nobody on the road. Look at that. I can go in the middle of the road. Yay. I can go in the middle of the road. Look, I'm going right in the middle of the road. I'm gonna stop that. Anyway guys, so look at this. Listen guys, I'm getting ready to breed. Yahuwah willing, I am getting ready to breed my white plateniks. You see them flying, they're good, man. Not because they're mine, but they're good. They're good birds, strong, beautiful plumage, nice and tight, healthy. So these babies, babies are really nice. I know they're always nice. So a lot of people has contacted me already. I have a list, so you guys can give me a call at 941-249-0822. Okay. Also, if you want Spanish Pouters, if I don't have them, I will get you very good ones. Okay? All glory to Yahuwah. I will get you very good ones. I've been in these games for a long time. A lot of these guys just started 15 years ago, 20 years ago. I've been in this since the early 70s. You know, so I have acquired some knowledge, and on top of that, all glory to Yahuwah. I study. Look at this bird. All right, guys, so I record when I get to this place. Right now, gotta go. Yeah. Check this out, guys. Look how nice and quiet and spacious this is. Look at this. Beautiful. A little closer now. 39 minutes away. Man, I love Florida. I love Florida. I mean, other states are very nice and all that, but the snow y'all going through right now, man, nah. I worked in the snow in Arkansas with cows the whole day, okay? feeding the cows with hay, doing all farm work, man, milking cows. That's no, that cold weather, 15 below zero, 10 below zero. No. Since I was out there in the pastures all day, I had to wear like 8 pair of socks, man, with this rubber boots that I used to wear. I used to wear so many pair of socks. It was very cold. Because remember, I was out all the time. Going to get cows in the pastures, bringing the cows, milking the cows, taking the cows out, cleaning the lot, all the manure from the lot, driving the tractor and spreading the manure everywhere in the pastures, so so it will be like a fertilizer thing. Oh yeah, man. The only thing I didn't do was artificial insemination. That's the only thing they didn't teach me to do. But everything else I did. And it was very cold. And I like Florida. I like Florida, especially for pigeons. Especially for pigeons. All right, then we'll go to another road here. Not gonna say the name of this road. Down here, I know I gotta turn left. Been here before many times. What is that? Palmdale, 2 miles. Never heard of that. Never heard of that. Look at them towers right there. Look how tall they are. You go up there, you can see everywhere. All the way down yonder, all the way. Yeah. Excuse my southern accent. See, that's how I learned how to speak English, with a southern accent from Arkansas. If I'm going to live any other state, it will be Arkansas. I love Arkansas. It's a beautiful state. But nah, I like Florida. Alright guys, turning this off. Gotta pay attention to the road here. I'm in 27 right now. There we go. I am 32 minutes away. Yay!
El buchón cubano cuando pasa una paloma le sale, escala los cielos, una historia que contar. Elevándose en los fuertes vientos, un puntico en el cielo, su verdadera naturaleza llama, honesta y verdadera. Oh, el buchón de conquista, una maravilla para ver.
I'm on my way back and looks like there's a big fire over there somewhere. See that? See all that smoke? Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm on my way back. I didn't record because, let me see that? See all that smoke there? I didn't record because I think that my time and my videos, they're worth money. I know that a lot of people, I don't just advertise me. Look at this fire. It's a big fire. Wait, give me a minute. Look at that. got smoke all over here. Anyway, I think that my time and my videos, you know, worth money. I don't just advertise for me. If you look at my videos, I advertise for a lot of people. You know, like a lot of people, Abraham. I mean, everybody that sells pigeons around here, I try to help people and tell them where to go buy pigeons. You know, but I like you saw, I put the videos, you know, because I have connections. I have a lot of connections to get good Spanish Pouters. If I don't have them in my loft, I have good connections to get good Spanish Pouters. My friends in Miami and Dania, in a lot of different places over here in Florida. In a lot of different places, which I'm not going to name all of them right now. So, all glory to the Most High. If anybody from up north wants some Spanish Pouters, you can call me. You know, I can get you good ones. As you saw in that video, those guys are good. They're rocking, man. You know? Alright. So, alright, y'all can call me for Spanish Pouters or for white homers. The number is 941-249-0822. And I'm on my way back now. There's a little more traffic. I didn't want to spend too much time over there, you know. But it's a beautiful sight. I might record again. Alright. Alright, so I'm back and just taking a little break here. I gotta keep going, gotta keep rolling. So, what? That's my wife. Why are we always bothering my videos? Why are you always bothering my videos? Really? Look, I ain't got no energy now to mess with you, so. And I don't want to do this video again, so. Anyway, guys, listen. If you guys need any buchones, Spanish Pouters, Steve Pouters, Cuban Pouters, call me. And if I don't have them, I know where to get them really, really good. And if you want any white homing pigeons, Pletniks, really good ones, strong, I got them. I have a big list there. Call me, give me a name. Oh, excuse me. I'm not going to start this video again. Call me, give me your name, and how many birds you want. I'll write you down. When I'm ready, about March, I'll give you a call. All right, guys? So, you please go. You please go away. Gosh, you're messing with me. Love your birds. Have a nice bird. Oh, God. Love your birds. Have a blessed day.